Once upon a time, on a frosty autumnal morning, deep in the green rolling hills, there was an institution called Surbiton Golf Club. The club is renowned to be full of early risers and keen amateurs of the sport, eager to improve their handicap and complete the famous circuit well above par. Now, Britain is not a country with favourable weather. So how on earth can these golfers play up to 5 hours of golf without a shelter? Would not a bacon roll or a hot cuppa be needed to sustain these madmen? Surbiton Golf Club secretary Paul was aware of this conundrum and therefore decided to construct a halfway hut for the club. Yes, that would be the perfect solution. He researched online to find the best quality bespoke log cabin company. After searching far and wide, he came across Titan Garden Buildings. Not only did they have competitive pricing and bespoke design, but they also had a friendly and prompt service, allowing for Paul's dreams to become a reality. And so, they started the build, first putting the foundations in place. They drilled into the ground and installed a wooden base for the hut, because this was cheaper and more efficient than laying down a concrete base. The completed halfway hut is to have a kitchen with running water, electric main supply, and foul waste duct, and therefore these foundations are put in place first. In the meantime, the bespoke parts of the shed are assembled in Titan's factory. They are then packed onto a truck and delivered to Surbiton, ready for installation. Once unpacked and checked, the building commences. Despite the weather seeming temperamental, the installation team gets stuck in. First, the walls are erected. Now, Titan has been at it since 1945 and have a 75-year reputation of selling to the home counties. Therefore, one can expect the best of services from the team. While the walls are being built, one mustn't forget to install the windows, which should slot perfectly in place, since all sheds are pre-built and checked in Titan's factory. The walls are up and they are secured with hammering and drilling. Next up, we have the beams and wooden pillars that hold up the overhanging roof. Measurements need to be just right at this point, and therefore the structure is held in place temporarily by extra bits of wood, while the roof support is installed. At the end of the first day, the majority of the cabin has been built, and one can start to imagine what the final product will look like. The sun sets, the golfers head home, and the installation team gets some well-earned rest. They return bright and early the next morning to lay down the roof pieces. Each piece is carefully put in place, making sure it is watertight. Oh look, Steve has got onto the roof to drill in the roof pieces. Don't try this at home, kids. Next, the floor is installed, concealing the foundations. Finally, the roof cladding is added, making sure the roof is fit for the unpredictable British weather and the mess those naughty pigeons make. And there we have it. So, has Paul's dream of unlimited bacon rolls become a reality? Let us see the reveal. From the first meeting with the club, through the design and manufacturing process, and finally to the installation and completion, Titan delivered at every juncture, on point and on time. Surbiton Golf Club captain Jeffrey was thrilled and satisfied with the whole project. Titan Garden Buildings are proud to have played their part in addressing the hunger pangs of the hundreds of members of the Surbiton Golf Club, and expect full credit for improving their handicaps. Another successful project completed by the Titan team.